Welcome back to Daytime Live. Okay, this chat is a fun one. The question that we're asking is, which games screw up the family get together? You know, just mash up the family gathering them. Like we were saying, for me, Dandy Shan is a thing.
Dandy Shan, they're fight business,
Dandy
man.
Shan is
Fight business, man. Because sometimes, you know, the one who are true, you know, them have a problem.
Listen.
Them have a problem with, and they plan for soak you. They plan for soak you.
And back you up in the one corner and say, you know, and you know, but I was little and, you know, me nimble. So me ever like, cock up his attain and split jump and thing. What? I was like, you can't touch, you can't let me. Sefe.
Yeah.
You know them thing there?
Domino is a war game too. First of all, we are yardy. We don't need no excuse.
We don't need a reason to fight.
We fight over everything. ABC fast and slow. I lie.
Oh, you did this already. You did this already. I said slow. You did this. You know, and some people wicked, you know. Some people like X. How you get to X and say slow?
Yeah.
Liar.
Yeah. So we are over at Domino's though. Domino for sure. For sure. Like if your call the game is a problem. If you call out, because sometimes, you know, you have some people, you know, when they're even in the game, you know, and come over and show them a try understand the game, them call out.
Why do you have a one there and two over there? That's me. Because I can't play.
Why you never play the double?
You see where currently go boom?
No, my problem, man. Them something a problem, man.
So you have two doubles, you didn't play the...
Them something a problem, man. As me do that, so remember, B-word and them something there. A war business that, you know.
Is that the game where they used to box people?
Yeah, man.
Like you say something and you... I used to play that.
A war.
I played that game in high school and there was one girl, the name Keisha. And let me tell you, to this day, me hate her. Me hate her. You know why? Because that one day, my ears still a ring today.
Hey.
Because I feel like say everything she ever feel about me. She went, I know me, I'm nice. So I'm like, you know, because I don't want to hurt you. So I was like, okay, me set the precedence. Me say we are going easy. And she was like, I want me to say my girl wind up, so you know, and you know, so me want to fight, but you can't fight because you're playing. So I'm like, I'm water just.
Hey, the wickedest thing, you know, me can't play them game, you know, because me no take them thing.
Listen, me
run down
spirit hot.
Years in a breathless shoes, you know, like as me get
no
off,
shoes.
You know. Okay, my mommy, come here, run. Come remember the link from the deal.
Listen,
no, man, I have problem with them.
But it's hot though. But I was, remember, me say me hate her. Me see her today. Me see her.
As I said,
I don't advocate violence. What about Monopoly though?
Tree card, them war over Monopoly, all of them something, they loady.
You ever get to Monopoly though and you play Monopoly and you're doing whatever and you just like fling with the whole board?
Marble, boom pound wall, elastic. And elastic, you know.
We're talking about family game, last kid.
All right, family games. All right,
okay, you know what it is for me? Uno.
Uno
can get, you know when people are like pick 4 and pick up 5, you're like, that's how we go.
Let me tell you the problem with Uno. The problem with Uno and Kaluki, them two games.
Oh yeah.
Everybody here, you go have a different set of rules.
That's the problem. That's the thing.
Everybody here, you have a different set of rules.
That's the thing, and my rules are right. See? Just saying, like, I'm playing it right.
There you go.
Listen.
So, them have a way how you draw 4, and them have a, with Kaluki, them have a way how you can call, or a way how much cards you get. And everybody have a different set of rules, and that always causes problems.
And you know what else, which I'm quite surprised by? When we play 1, 2, 3 red light. It's such a nice game.
And
but
spoil it.
But we spoil it. I understand how we get so like, me never move, you never see me, and you're like, but I saw you, go back. But listen, when I take much, like you said, when I take much for fights.
But we play 1, 2, 3 red light with police too, you know, them stop here and say, you never stop, of course we stop, you never stop, and you are see you. And
it's still a war, From Nick Pitney, it don't matter. What do you think family games teaches us? Do you think the family that plays together stays together?
No, man.
Do you think it's healthier for families to come together and play like a game of cards and play like a domino? Or you think it's like, let's just not do that? What do you think?
I wonder if I mean, a long time you spent in England still, but yeah. Family game will mash up your life, man.
I am not a family person, you know. I don't have no family. I don't like nope.
Hold on. We take them game the serious. If me and you kick off over Kaluki, me done with you.
We're not brother again.
Yeah, man, I'm done with you, man. Cause you're not a principles, man. You're not a principles. I'm a come here, you can't fire.
So you say family get no, brother
Yeah,
not
man.
talk again years.
Yeah, man, a problem,
years.
man. If me and you play Monopoly and you're a banker, you're a thief the money, then you're a thief money. He's a thief.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Yeah, man,
So
problem,
you think
man.
games teaches you principles of life? So if somebody's
Yeah,
a
man.
thief, liar and thief in the game, them just liar and thief.
Them just lie and thief. Full stop.
Really?
Yeah, man, if I cheat, it's a cheat, it's a cheat, it's a cheat. And
Wow.
that's it.
Wow.
Yeah, man, me I pre them wicked.
Wow.
Yeah, man, me I pre them wicked.
Me
When
nah
them a
lie.
hide card in them sleeve and all them something there. And
Yeah.
man, me I pre them wicked, man.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah, man.
Ooh, struggles.
Done with you. Life.
Struggles.
Life imprisonment.
Whatever. No, but I do feel like the family that plays together, like stays together. I think, like I play Uno a lot with my daughter, play cards, we play Monopoly.
What I will say.
I think for me, it's but then I don't take it too serious.
What I will say is the family
Well, I
that
do take
plays
it serious,
together,
but-
the family that plays together, the members that are left playing, them
Yeah.
will stay together. The one them will kick out, stay out.
Right. So, guys, you're playing with Craig. Him take the thing serious.
Yeah, man.
Serious.
Laugh and run joke, you know, but
Are you one of those people that this is my thing as a woman, because I don't know if maybe women do it, but the domino,
yeah, come with
you see this thing? You see this thing? When them go, and them go, "Duh!" And I'm like, why are you beating up the table? And
because we are here, we hot blooded.
everybody do that?
Nah, man, another table I get beaten, you know.
Are you hot?
You walk at them, I get the beat.
In your head. Yeah, beat them with a double
Yeah,
six.
man.
Beat them with a 6-5.
Yeah, man.
You see, I know a little thing.
Yeah, man.
I tell you that double six. Meh.
Brother.
My brother is very good at dominoes. He's like excellent.
Okay.
So he tries with me.
Okay.
I'm still like, is the double two, is the deuce? You know, I'm not.
It's not gonna work.
It's not gonna
On
work.
that note,
On that
Time
note.
Live will be right back.
I try my best.
We'll come back with a music video.
I try.
Stay tuned.
I'm gonna learn to play domino. I'm gonna learn. Somebody come teach me domino, yeah? Wanna learn.